Now, this is the second question, all right, and this question is from the chapter of the anatomy of flowering plants, which you can see. Now, the representation which you can see is of the vascular bundles, which you can see. Now, you have to identify the type of the vascular bundles which is given in the figure first and the second. All right, you have to actually identify the important characters being given over there. Now, what we need to see is that the first important thing to note over here is that the vascular bundles are presented in two ways. So one is this way and the other is like there is a layer present over here like this way, and we can just draw it again in order to make you people understand like this way. And then so this part is the phloem part and this is the xylem part. All right, so just like that only, this is a layer present between the xylem and the phloem, and here again, so this one is the phloem, this is the cambium which is present between xylem and phloem, and this is the xylem. So this is the first figure and this is the second figure. All right, now the important thing to note over here is that the layer or the difference that we can see is that the layer of cambium in both the vascular bundles. Now, the vascular bundle with cambium. So the vascular bundle that will be having cambium, that is considered to be as open vascular bundle. All right, while the vascular bundle without cambium, that is considered to be as closed vascular bundle. All right, so the options which you can see over here, that they are also involving closed and open one like this. All right, so this is the meaning. So vascular bundle with cambium is the open vascular bundle and vascular bundle without cambium is the closed vascular bundle. So we have seen that the second one is the open vascular bundle and the first one is the closed vascular bundle, which you can see over here. All right, now there are two another terms which are conjoint and collateral. Now conjoint means that conjoint vascular bundle. Now conjoint vascular bundle basically means a vascular bundle in which the xylem and phloem will be arranged within the same radius. All right, so you can see that they are actually arranged on the same radii. That means there is a single unit of vascular bundle and the phloem is arranged on the upper side and the xylem is arranged in the lower side. So the radius is same. So conjoint vascular bundle means xylem and phloem arranged on same radius. All right, so in both the figures of first and second, what we can see is that both the first and second vascular bundle, they are conjoint. So they are so the second one also is conjoint because the phloem is on the upper side and the xylem is on the lower side. And here in the first, you can see that the phloem is also on the upper side and the xylem is on the lower side. So this is closed and this is conjoined. All right, now what do you mean by the term collateral? There is another term which you can see over here, which is collateral, which you can see over here. All right. Now, collateral basically means that the xylem and the phloem, they will be, that means the layers of the xylem and phloem, the phloem will be on the outer side of the xylem. They will be arranged on separate layers. They won't be mixing it. So that is called as collateral. That means phloem is having a separate layer and the xylem is having a separate layer. So that's why it is called as collateral. So collateral vascular bundle, meaning phloem arranged outside the xylem layer. Xylem layer. All right. So in both the figures, that means in one as well as in second also, it is having a collateral arrangement. So this is collateral. This is also collateral. And this one is also collateral. All right. So now we are going to look at the options. So the first option which you can see over here is that the first one is conjoined collateral. Yeah. So the first one is basically the conjoined collateral closed, and the second one is the conjoined, second option is the conjoined collateral and open, which is exactly, similar to the options that we have derived over here. So out of all the four options, the first option is also the correct one. So this is our correct answer. But let's just take a look at the other options as well. So you can find over here, there is a term called as bicollateral. All other options are having the same words, but there is another term which is called as bicollateral. Now this bicollateral basically means that the vascular bundle in which the phloem is arranged in two layers, actually, like this. So the xylem is in between and the phloem is arranged on two layers. That means on the upper side as well as on the lower side as well. So this is called as bicollateral. So this is xylem, this is phloem, that means the outside phloem, and this one is the inside phloem, inner phloem. This is called bicollateral, in which the xylem is surrounded by two layers of phloem. So we are not seeing this figure in the model, in the representation. So this bicollateral is also not the option. All right.